Coronavirus business interruption loan. What do you need to get together? What's the scheme? How does it work? Well, let's just look at the scheme as a whole and give you a summary of it. The scheme is about the interruption, so there's got to be an interruption to your business. If you're booming right now, and there are some sectors that are, you're not going to qualify. But what is the scheme? Okay, so you've got your interruption to your business. You can borrow, in theory, up to 25% of your turnover or your annual wages bill, whichever is the greater. It's got to be affordable, and that's the caveat to that part. The good parts that have changed recently, loans under £250,000, and I think that's the majority of where loans are going to be. Loans under £250,000, no personal guarantees, no charges over security. So it really is as unsecured borrowing as you can get. How the scheme works? Well, the government will fund the interest for the first 12 months. There's nothing for you to pay at all. And then after that, you've got up to 5 years for capital and interest repayments. So it's got to be affordable from month 13 through to month 72. The other key part of the scheme is that primary residential security cannot be taken as security. So your primary property, your home, cannot be put up as security. That's good news. So that's the basics of the scheme. So how does it work in terms of applying? Well, your first pool of application, 99% of the time, will be your bank. We're seeing other banks say, no, we'll only service our own customers. That's purely down to demand, okay? We're seeing new entrants coming to the scheme, new lenders, and if you're looking at using one of those, the best thing I can say to you is give us a call, because we'll talk you through it. They're slightly different. We can also offer you some real advantages in using those lenders, because we can get in earlier than probably you can. What you're going to need to get together though, in terms of information, well, this is a broad summary. So you've got your last 2 years full of financials, your year-to-date financials, profit and loss balance sheet, age debtors, age creditors, personal bank statements, business bank statements, asset and liability statement. Yeah, lenders still want to see that. And some forecast figures. Don't spend an abhorrent amount of time doing your forecast, because we know there's too much uncertainty to rely on them. We just want to know there is some concept of what might happen. So with your forecast, it's as important to put a theory behind them as it is to give the figures. Okay. This page here, that'll give you as much information as we can find for you, which is honest information that hopefully you'll find beneficial. And on there as well, there's a download for an application form for a CBIL loan, coronavirus business interruption loan. Financial companies like acronyms. So download that, there's a tick list on there, it will talk you through things. So that's your overview to the scheme. It is available to you. You can apply for it. Don't expect an immediate answer. Have some patience. The biggest tip, get everything together in one go. Don't try and cut corners. Submit everything to your lender exactly as they want it. Don't give them an excuse to beat back at you. If you want to handle it, then we're pretty good at these. So give us a call, get in touch. That's your summary. Loads more information on the website. Questions? Give us a bell.